Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting in the game? Open Fortnite and sign in. Once done, go directly to Settings and check your platform account privacy to allow voice chat. Next, open the audio section and toggle voice chat to on so the game can transmit your mic. At the same time, make sure your Epic account is the active account, otherwise platform restrictions may block changes. You're doing these first steps now because they unlock the next in-game visibility controls. You now change the channel so anyone in a match can hear you. In audio settings, locate voice channel. It may say party, squad, or open. Switch it from party or squad to everyone or open. This is the critical step that broadens chat beyond friends. Save changes, then test your mic input and any push-to-talk settings so sound is transmitted. If you use platform-level party chat, make sure it's not forcing you into private party audio. Switch to game. Finish by reloading the game and joining a lobby to verify that other players can hear you. Make sure you see voice indicators beside player names. If voice remains restricted, check your console or PC privacy settings and your Epic account chat permissions. Those often override in-game choices. As a final troubleshooting tip, restart Fortnite and the platform app to force a sync. This resolves most permission caching issues. If problems persist, toggle voice off then on and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.